Hello! Today I'll take you into the world of line and color, where the simplest elements can create the most beautiful shoes. Each type of line has its own character. Horizontal brings calm, vertical shows strength, diagonal is dynamic, curved is soft and elegant, and broken is bold and energetic. The first shoe was designed with vertical lines that show strength. For colors, I chose a tertiary harmony. The result is delicate and elegant. The second shoe was inspired by horizontal lines. Horizontal lines bring calm and stability. For coloring, I used the full color wheel, a cheerful and energetic mix. The third shoe was created with diagonal lines full of motion and energy. For coloring, I used the three primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, simple yet powerful. The fourth shoe was designed with curved lines, soft, graceful, and full of elegance. For colors, I chose a monochromatic harmony, one color yet full of hidden beauty. And the last shoe was created with broken lines, bold, sharp, and full of energy. For colors, I chose contrast, blue and orange, a powerful and exciting mix. Every line tells a story, and every color combination creates a new feeling. I tested several AI tools for this project. First, I started with Vizcom. It was very fast and could recognize my sketch well, but sometimes the colors or lines were not exactly as I wanted. Then I tried McCaffrey. This one only works with text prompts and doesn't accept sketches. In the end, I reworked the Vizcom result in Photoshop to bring my idea to life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Your feedback really helps me improve my next design. See you in the next video.